and they don't raise your income benefit. So after he activates both, he's going to be making pretty decent income, and then you can keep investing in the stock market if you want, and if the market plunges, you're okay. Hey there, I am John Stevenson. Welcome to the Guaranteed Retirement Guy Show. Today, we are going to be talking about one of my clients who bought 2 annuities and split it with $200,000 into each contract. So I'm also walking through the woods here. The snow is melting. We got a huge storm here just a couple weeks ago, and I'm out here making videos like usual. So appreciate you tuning in. It's a lot of fun to be out here, and it's a lot of fun to tell stories. All right, so this guy I'm helping, he is 50 years old. Pretty young. He's going to retire in 10 years. Okay, and he wants to take income from one of his annuities in 10 years, and then he wants to take income from his other annuity in 12 years. So kind of just straddle it out a little bit. He's putting $200,000 into Nationwide and $200,000 into Midland, and here are the payouts. Let me just pull this up. So it's $63,000 annual income between the both. But the first one is going to put $200,000 in Midland, and in 10 years, that's going to give him $30,000 a year, roughly. And it's going to be multiplied by 14.88%. That's the withdrawal rate. So Midland is very simple. They make it easy, and they don't raise your income benefit like some of the other carriers. Most of the other carriers, that's what they do. They will grow your income benefit like, I don't know, 8 or 9%, and then they'll give you a lifetime withdrawal rate multiplied against that number. But for Midland, they just keep it simple, and they're like, yeah, we'll just give you a high withdrawal rate. So, which is great. So he's getting $30,000 a year from that one contract in 10 years. And then from his other contract with Nationwide, the Nationwide New Heights, and it's going to be worth $772,500. The income benefit will be, because it's earning 9.5% annual compounded growth. And so, yeah, for after 12 years, it'll be worth $772,000 multiplied by a 4.29 withdrawal rate, and that's giving him $33,000 a year. So after he activates both, he's going to be making pretty decent income. He'll have a Social Security as well on top of that, and any other pension income and any other assets that he continues to grow over the next 10 years. So it's not a replace strategy. It's not there to replace all of your assets. It's just there to give you some contractual guarantees, some pension income, so that you can have the income. Because that really it's what our assets are for. They're for income, usually, unless you just want to grow perpetually and leave it to your family, which that's fine. If you want to do that and you want to leave it as legacy, that's fine. But most of us, when we want to retire, when we're saving, when we're putting money into our 401k and we're putting money into our assets, we're doing it for ourselves. We're doing it for our future. Okay, we're doing it so that we are secure for the future, and that security comes from income. Not so much our net worth. You can have a net worth and not have security, a high net worth and not have security. Just because if you don't have income and your net worth fluctuates with the market, that doesn't give you very much security. So what he's doing is he's just acting early because he can. And I would advise you, if you are in the same position and if you're thinking, hey, I'd like an annuity for my retirement, and you're a few years out, absolutely book a call with me. I can help you with that, because there are good options out there that give you good growth, and it's guaranteed. So, and it just really just takes a lot of stress off your plate, knowing that your income's covered, your pensions are covered, and you know exactly what it's going to be. And then you can keep investing in the stock market if you want. And if the market plunges, you're okay, because you know that you can still retire. I mean, my wife's uncle, he lost everything in 2008. He was planning on retiring, and then he ended up delaying retirement for 10 years. Had he purchased annuities before that to prepare himself, he would have still been able to retire. You know, he would have saw his account go down, and he wouldn't have got out. He would have just left it there saying, well, that's a bummer, but it'll come back. But at least I can retire, right? That's what you can do when you have annuity contracts. You can't get those years back. When you're thinking about planning and hindsight, right now rates are very good with annuities. And when they're good, take advantage of them, lock in the rates so you can have high lifetime income. So not here to try to sell you something, but of course, if you are looking to purchase an annuity, I'd love to help. There's a link below this video. You can get on my calendar if you like, or go to my website, better yet, and just check out the options, the annuity payouts, the income riders, the SPIAs, the DIAs. Look at them all. And then if it makes sense and you're thinking, yeah, this actually could help me, then book a call. I'd love to help you. I hate being sold, and I tell people that all the time. I hate it. I've been sold, I've been pushed, and I don't do that on my calls. But I do tell people, if you're looking for someone who's transparent, who's going to show you everything, regardless of what he's getting paid, then book a call with me. I'd love to help you. So, all right, so let me show you this river. This is Silver Creek. So if you look up Silver Creek, there's a settlement close by Silver Creek. It's not Nevada, it's California. We're about 30 minutes from the border of Nevada, but there's a lot of mining that went on over here in the 1800s. And so anyways, the creek looks silver right now, but it's not because it's silver, it's because it's just dirty. And we got a lot of snow runoff, and that's just what happens. So anyways, it's fun to be out here though. And I'm standing on quite a bit of snow. I got my snow boots on, but it's melting fast. So want to come out here. It's not too cold, so it's nice too. I do hope you enjoyed these videos. If you like the channel, like, subscribe, share. If you got comments, comment below. Questions, reach out, love to help. And we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.